How to use the Google One application for the cloud backup here on your device. Like this is my Google One on the home page. You can see all of my details here. What I have to do is I'm going to simply show you the steps how you can back up your device, or you can automatically back up your phone's data to your Google account. This is how you can do it. For this, you will need apps and app data, call history, contact, device setting, or any other setting you have preset on your previous device. For Android, on your Android phone, open your device setting and then simply select the Google setting from there. Click on the backup. If this is your first time, follow the on-screen instructions to turn on the backup. Now scroll to the backup details. Once you will see that detail here, you can set up your phone to automatically back up your files. Once you're on Android phone, open your device setting application. Then again click on the Google toggle, click on backup. To review the backup setting, click on manage backup. So your backup will be saved in about 24 hours. So this is how you can do it. Now, how you can turn off the backup. Now stop future devices backup. You can do it from on your Android phone. Open the Google setting again as you done the previously. Turn off the backup via Google One and this will be turned off. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe to the channel.